love you, God.
Hello and welcome, and let's take a look at the OneLife LA March. In this march, we all gathered to show our support for women going through crisis pregnancies and for the unborn who every day are denied the gift of life. The march started off as a long walk all the way to this nice park over here, the LA Historic Park. Here, people were able to picnic, eat at the vendors, and we even had a chance to check out a lot of tents of organizations who are giving to causes for every type of human life: unborn, poor, homeless, sick, etc. Overall, this walk was a great experience, and in a community we gathered together to show our support for all human life and our love for God's creation. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Choose love.